Welcome back. Today we'll see the unboxing video of Blink Outdoor 4 XR camera module, and this was obtained recently from Amazon. As some of you may already know, Blink is the subsidiary or have been acquired by Amazon, and this Blink camera works with Alexa as well. It doesn't support Google Home or Apple HomeKit at this point. Blink Outdoor 4 XR has an extended range, that's why it's called XR. And we are checking on the four sides of the box. Box is quite modern, as well as it's packaged well. Let's unbox it. So what I got is of two cameras and XR sync module. So it comes with the sync module within this package itself. The charger for the sync module is provided, and both cameras they run with lithium batteries. This is the camera. So unlike the previous model, now the camera lens is not centered. The cameras looks a bit boxy. So there is a Blink logo at the bottom of the camera. It's made mostly of plastic. The cameras come with two batteries each. They are of AA size. There is the USB cable for charging the sync module, and there is the adapter for the sync module, and there is the sync module itself. It comes in white color. It runs through Wi-Fi. No need to attach the Ethernet adapter or Ethernet cable. It supports both 5G Wi-Fi as well as 2.4G Wi-Fi. And at the bottom of each camera pack, there are some additional accessories. They are the set of two batteries for each of the camera, and the holder for camera in order to install it on the wall or wood. It comes with the SD card socket on the sync module, so we can put in micro SD card here. It doesn't support the regular SD card size. And here are all the items that come with the two camera package. Box with instructions. We need to first download the Blink app and then activate the sync module and attach it to the account, and install the batteries in the cameras, and drill a hole for the wall and attach these. Thank you.